My name is Oliver Berlin. I'm one of the co-founders of Calculum, and I'm super excited to present you today the company, as well as give you a glance of our platform called ADA. So let's start. Who is Calculum? So Calculum is a Miami-based startup. We started about 2 years ago, and we are focusing on one thing, which we do very well, is we analyze payment terms. And we not only analyze, but we help companies optimize these terms and also negotiate better terms with their suppliers. Now, when you think about payment terms, maybe it's unfamiliar, but why payment terms? And it's simple. It's every company which is dealing with customers on one side and suppliers on the other side. When they negotiate, they always discuss mainly 4 key points. The first one is, how much do I buy? The volume, the pricing, the quality of the goods and services. And the last point is, when do I have to pay you? Now, obviously, payment terms and the length on how long you can keep your cash on your balance sheet has a huge impact on cash flow, on working capital. When you ask your peers, when you ask your colleagues how they determine what should be the right payment terms, interesting enough, you only receive 3 answers. The first one is, I just use what I'm used to. I just apply 40 days because this is what I used the last 5 years. Or I'm using what my counterparty am asking me. Or more sophisticated companies, which we are dealing with, like Roche Pharmaceuticals or others, larger organizations, they use Excel. But as we all know, Excel is 100% manual, it's slow and inefficient, and it only gives you your view. It doesn't tell you what other market participants are applying in terms of payment terms. This is why we introduced the first platform really focusing on payment terms, which is called ADA, which is fully automated, which gives you access to millions of data points and only requires 6 data points from you as a client. So we only need to know who is the buying entity, the name of the supplier, the location of the supplier, the volume you're purchasing, the currency, and the actual payment terms. And the platform does the rest, and very, very fast. So we can analyze thousands of suppliers in just a few days. And how we make money is very simple. It's a subscription-based pricing. So you pay and you have access for 1 year to all the data and to your team, to your users, which have access to all the insights which you can use in optimizing and negotiating better payment terms. Why are companies using our platform? It's very simple. Mostly it's because they want to increase liquidity, unlock working capital, and increase free cash flow, which is particularly important in the current market environment with increasing interest rates. The other one is cost reduction. So having a way to provide early payment terms and getting cash discounts for that. The third one, which a lot of analysts are looking right now, it's improving working capital metrics, looking at ways to increase the efficiencies on how you manage working capital. And then obviously ESG and sustainability metrics. And the last one, just being simply more competitive by having data about what is going on with your competitors and your market. So let me use this opportunity to show you our ADA platform. So the first point is really having a look on how you are comparing to your peers, to market averages in terms of the key working capital metrics. Then once we receive your data, and as I said, we analyze it very, very fast, we clean it, we match it, and then we provide you an overview about how much are your weighted average payment terms, how much leverage you have with each suppliers, and multiple ways how we slice and dice the data to see pockets of opportunities. The platform also automatically analyzes the credit rating of each single supplier and gives you a way to simulate what is the potential cash flow by adjusting your payment terms to your peers, to your competitors. In this case, free cash flow of $16.3 million for this demo account. And then we not only show you the opportunity, but also how to create a plan with the different rollout phases when negotiating terms. And we not only provide this information on a portfolio basis, but for each single supplier. So we show you here who is the parent organization, the sister company of your suppliers, the funding cost of the suppliers, financial metrics, ESG scoring. And the last point, very important, we give you all the argumentation for your procurement team to negotiate these terms with a full script in different languages, which tells you step by step what you have to say. So that was a quick overview. Thank you very much. And I'm looking forward to meet you in New York very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.